Hello friends, in this video we will continue with unit 1 and question 5, which is based on almost place value. Now you can see this is question number 5 of unit 1, first A. In this you can see question number 5. Question 8 is asking in 452 the place value of 4 is the what, that of 2 is what, and that of 5 is what. So here you have to write each digit place value, what they are. So let's first I tell you what is place value. Students, place value is nothing but the position of a digit. This is the position of a digit in a given number. Whatever number you have, in that number how many digits are there, on which position that digit is representing, that is that number's place value, that digit's place value. For example, in your first question, it is asked 452. What is the place value of 400? 4, 5 and 2. These all three digits place value you have to write. Now see, this is a set of number 452. In these numbers there are three digits 4, 5 and 2. They all have their own position. That 2 has its position, it is ones. 5 has its position tens, 4 has its position 100. So these are their position where they have located 452. So according to their position, their places, we can find out what is their place value. Now if we talk about 2, so it is one's place, so its place value is 2. And if we talk about 5, its place value is tens. Its position is at tens. So its place value will be 50. And if we talk about 4, its position is at 100 place. So in 100 we know 20 we are putting. So its place value is 400. Okay. So what we'll write for 4? The place value of 4 is 400. Again the place value of 2. Now it is jumbled. It is not asking directly. Now we have to find out place value. It is first asked 4. So it is 400. Now then it is asking 2. So what is the place value of 2? What is the position of 2? See, the position of 2 at once. It means it is 2 only. So it is 2. And that of 5 is, now see, 5 is position is at tens, it is 50. This position tens 50. So 5 is 50. Similarly, we have to do these questions also, right? Like in 6093, the place value of 9 is. Now 6093 ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6093. Here 3 is ones, so its value is 3. Tens, 90. 100 place 0. There is no digit 0 it is given, so its value will be 0. 1000 place 6 means 6000. 3 digit after 6, so we will put 30. So these are the position of these digits in this number. So now let us see the question. The place value of 9 is 90. 90. That of 3 is, now if you see in this number 3 at one's place, so its value will be 3. and that of 6 is. So here 6 at the 1000 place, this place value will be 6000. So here we will write 6000. See, in 7654 the place value of 7 is. Now you can see the position of these digits for ones place 4, 5, tens place 50, 600 place 600 and 7000 place 7000. So accordingly we have to write down the place value of the given digits. So according to the question, we have to write the place value of 7, which is 7000, 1 tens, 100,000, 7000. 5 is at tens place, so 50, and then 6. So 6 is at 100 place, so its place value is 600. Now see question number D. It is given, write the number shown by the numerals. Now see, this question is based on Roman number, and question number E also write in Roman numerals. So students, you have not learned about Roman number in class 3rd. So we will discuss these two questions after completing our unit Roman number. Okay. So let's move ahead. Your question number F is the number name of 5204 is. So this figure you have to write in words. So what it is? Ones, tens, 100,000, 5204. So according to their place, we have to write these numbers like it's 1000 place, so it will be 5000, and then it is 100 place, so it will be 200. Tens place is 0 and ones place is 4. So for this we will write 5204. According to the places of the digits, we will write this in word. This is given in figure, we will write this in word. That is number name of these number. Now next question is the number name of 9439 is. What is 9439? 9439. So how you will write in words? 9 at the 1000 place, 4 at the 100 place, 3 at the tens place, and 9 at ones place. So 9439. This is the name of this number. So while writing the name of the numbers, just be careful about the spellings. Many times you get mistakes writing the spellings, so be careful about it. Now see, H1 is given 6823. You have to write in fingers. So this is, now you have to write in number form, finger form. So see, 6000 at 1000 place, 800 at 100 place, 23. So 20 at tens place and 3 at ones place. So it will be 6823. Now next question is 8050 in fingers. Figure is. So see, at 1000 place it is 8 given, then 100 place it is missing, and then tens place 50 is given, and again ones place is missing. So whatever places it is missing, we will put 0 there. So it will be 8050. So students, this page revision we have almost completed, and practice it. Now see, next question is make the greatest and the smallest numbers using all the digits. Now here digits are given, A, B, C, D, 4 questions are given, and first you have to write smallest number, and then you have to make that by using that number only greatest number. So by you have to use this number only. First you have to make smallest one, then you have to make the greatest one. So if you see this digits 279. So what number you will make by this digit, which is the smallest one? So we will starting from their ascending order, like we will take the smallest number first, then the big number, than that, and then the biggest number. So which one is the smallest number here? 2, then 7, then 9. So this is the smallest number, 279. Now we have to make with these digits only the greatest number. So we will use the descending order. Descending order means we will take the highest number, greatest number first, which is 9, then less than that 7, and then the smallest one, that is 2. So the smallest number for 279 is 279, and the greatest number is 972. Okay. Now for B1, so I have told for smallest you will go ascending, and for greatest you will go descending. So here again you have to make the smallest one. So if we take 0, first 0, then 3, 8, so it become 2-digit number. Okay, so for making the smallest, first we will take 3, then 0, then 8. This is the smallest number. And then biggest number, first we will take the largest number, descending order 8, then less than 8, 3, then 0. So this is the largest number by this digits we can make. Now see that C1, with these digits 4, 5, 3, 6, we have to first make smallest number. So according to ascending order, 3 is the smallest one, then 4, then 5, then 6. So 3456 is the smallest number with this digit. Then we have to make the greatest number. So we will take the, in descending order, first the greatest number, then less than that, then less than that, and the smallest one. So the greatest number from this number is 6543. Like this we will do this one also. We have to make the smallest one. If we take 0 first, so it becomes 3-digit number, but here are 4 digits. So we will take 0 in between. So first after 0, 1 is the smallest one. So 1, 0, 2, 9, it becomes 4 digit. 1029 is the smallest one. Then the biggest one for making 9, then 2, then 1, then 0. So 9210. This is the greatest number with these 4 digits. So by following this ascending and descending order, we can make smallest number and greatest number by given number of digits in a number.